Edo Unity League Worldwide, wey dem be non-partisan socio-cultural organization from Edo, with their members wey dey the 18 local government areas of Edo, don buy the expression of interest form and nomination for one of their member, Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umakhihe, OON, to contest for the office of the #1 citizen of the state come September 21, 2024. Una go remember say Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umakhihe on January 6, 2024 for Afuze for their mini stadium for OON East local government declare his intention to run for Edo governor with his Fresh Hope agenda, where he for say the reward for hard work na to put body for more work for Edo people. The group wey dey represented by some board of trustee members wey Chief Victor Ehato, the Enombore of Benin Kingdom, Comrade Orobusa Omo-Ojo JP, Comrade Ayameho Edokpolo carry waka go the All Progressive Congress APC National Secretariat for Abuja. Deputy National Organization Secretary Nze Chidi Duru come present expression of interest form and nomination form to Edo Unity League Director of Youth Organization Mavis Okanredia. Nze Chidi Duru come talk say intro salute to the board of trustee member of the group wey dem take identify with one of the party member.
So on behalf of the National Chairman, the National Organizing Secretary of our party, may I humbly present to you our expression of interest form to our candidate. So you have the nomination form, of course, the beautiful envelope, okay, which you will encase it in. Present again to you the nomination form.
Hold the form, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Edo Unity Worldwide contact said the body come the All Progressive Congress APC National Secretariat for Abuja after their extraordinary general meeting of Edo Unity League Worldwide, where them for conclude to play more active role for political leadership process of Edo State rather than the "e no concern me" attitude, and say them don't resolve for the best interest of the younger generations. Dem constitute said the board of trustees and members of the Edo Unity League Worldwide buy the APC gubernatorial forms for 50 million naira for one of their members, Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umakhihe, OON, as seed of good governance investment, and say for them must demonstrate selflessness because them join body with Dr. Ernest sake of say in get the right socio-economic and political pedigree to lead Edo from civil service state to large capitally productive state, and say them they convinced say them they make good choice. After the procurement of the form for the APC National Secretariat, Edo Unity League Worldwide come present the form on behalf of others to Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umakhihe, OON. Dr. Ernest Contalk say,
thank you so very much. I want to assure you, this confidence you have reposed in me, I will not fail you, I will not fail the people of Edo State. My own is, I've always asked that because of the little I've done, I need to be given more work so that I can touch the life of every Edolite. And together we move and make sure Edo State blossoms. And the citizen will appreciate after all the work we would have done that yes, somebody has come into the picture and he will change the fortunes for good. And in my campaign booklet, I've said it's a fresh start for shared prosperity, and that is what is going to be when I clinch this ticket.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.